So here's this app called Family360 Family Locator app. It's a nice alternative for Life360 app, which is the leader in this category. I'm talking about this app. But sometimes you just want to find something alternative, and this is a nice app, especially built for family social group needs. This free app allows you to locate people with their consent to their mobile phone and know their location at any time and in real time. To do so, your proteges will need to have the Family360 app installed. So if you lost your phone, no worries, GPS tracker will track your phone. You can create your circles, find your family on a map, share your location with your family, share your journey travels and be in the eyes of your group members, get alerts when your close ones leave or enter a place, get alerted when your close ones overspeed, locate phones on the circle map, enjoy a more diverse list of features and benefits. So, and then there is a premium version with premium features. Uh, so yeah, then just open it up. And then to create an account, you use Apple, Google, or email. So let's just try with Apple. So then you just need to use like your name. And then you can just try to, you need to add permissions, a lot of permissions to these apps. So just you need, and then allow this app to use your location all the time. This is like a quite big permission, so you really need to know what you're doing. If you only need to do this if you're using this app a lot, and yeah, there you have it. And then you can create a circle. So this can be your family or friends. This can be your circle. You can add a new member, then that can be your friend who can scan this code. Just send them this code written below and ask them to enter it when they install the app and choose to join a circle. Share this code to invite people in your circle. So that's what you can do. And then add to places. Then you can just add this place like a gym, whatever, work, home, friend's place. And then you can just better navigate who is where. So like the idea is that you just add members to your circle and you know when and where they are moving, how they are moving. You can see them on the map. You can see their locations. So then yeah, you can then manage this circle. You can leave it, you can delete it. And then there are a bunch of advanced settings. Again, you can just see all the support settings, your circles. Yep, so that's basically the idea, that you just track your friends, your kids on the map, and you know where they are in the real world. So and then also they have this like safety SOS alerts, like where you can just tap SOS message, or your friends can tap it where they are in some location, so you know something wrong is happening. You can also add some emergency contacts. Then you can see a list of places which you can add. Then there is like a menu. Yeah, if you don't like this app, you can always delete your data here. And then there is like a premium account. This app is quite cheap compared to other apps in this category. So it's only like $35 per year, or like $5 per month, which you can use here. So these are like the subscriptions. Yeah, so the positive thing about this app, that this is a bit cheaper than other apps in this category. Yeah, like, so try it out. So there is Life 360 app, there is Family 360, then there is Famio app. So I guess these are like top apps in this category. Also this one, Famio. These are like the top ones, and there are a lot of other like low quality copy paste apps. So yeah, something around that. Try it out.